Hi guys, welcome to Big Bro. I got this from Dollar General. If you're a fan of Big Boluses, we haven't made lots of videos because we just want to chill, Even though it's being lazy, doesn't mean that we don't always have to chill. We have to clean our rooms, but then when we clean our rooms, we did such a great job keeping them so clean that I got this, and it's so cheap. Let me show you the price. $3, and I can buy this. And I just brought this. He's so crazy. See, that's the ceiling. I don't have stairs, okay? We're going to move. I don't know when my parents are going to move, but we're going to move with our parents. What do you mean our parents are going to move and we're going to stay here? Why would they do that? And we're their children. But, yeah, you can get these. These are pretty cheap. I mean, they're only $3. See? I'm trying to covering these words so you don't go and see what it's called. Just see the price. And these are just like the toy that we have. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hey, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. That's all I was doing. So I hope you subscribe to Big Bolo Sis, and we'll see you in the next video. And comment down below and share which one is your favorite video. I'm glad I told you that we haven't made a lot of videos. So if you're watching this video, or you're my friend, and somehow you can watch my videos. If you make videos, I'll subscribe to yours if you subscribe to mine. And something happened to my arm today. It's up there. You can't really see it. It's like right there. You saw it? See it? Right there. Right there. But yeah, that's all I want to show Big my little sisters out there. I hope you subscribe, share, comment, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later, alligator. See you soon, Bamboon.